What's up, YouTube? So today's Java tutorial. Today it's gonna be a different video. Instead of Python, now we're in Java. So run your web browser. Still all the Python videos, but now go to type in Google. Type Java JRE. Now click on this. I don't know what are these. And you click on JRE12. You click on this now. If for Linux and Mac and Windows, now you download it. Now we're gonna go to download. Oh, you need to accept the license agreement. I don't know why. And you click on this installate. You click on. I'm gonna show you the file. And once it downloads, you see this Java JDK. After that, now you're not done yet. You need to go to Control Panel, System Security, System, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables. Click Path, click Edit, and go to Files. Go to File Explorer C, Program Files, Java. If it is successfully installed, you should see Java. Click JDK12, one, click bin, and copy this address and paste it. Right click and click Copy Address, and you paste in here. But already I did it, so I don't need to do it. Now to see if Java if you successfully put it, if it's successfully installed, Java version. And you see Java version 12.01, 2019 4.16. Oh, and this version. Now we're gonna exit everything, and you need to go to Eclipse. Click download. Download 64-bit and check for system, and you see if it is 64-bit. Click on it. If it is 32-bit, and that's it. Click on it. Download. I already downloaded it, and now we're gonna click on it. Now let's wait for it to download to run. Let's wait. Supposed to be Java not running. Let me see. Eclipse not running. Let me see in the task manager. GPU engine. There it is. The Eclipse Windows 64. It's secretly running. No, now. Now it would look like. Now you click on Java Don't know what's taking forever, but I think I'll end this. Ah! Let's open it. It did open. See this Eclipse installer? Excuse me. Now you click Eclipse IE for Java developers. Now I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this because we already finished it. Once it's done, you should see the dust in the desktop. You should see on the on Eclipse Java 2019-03. Click on it and voila, it will load. Now we're gonna click create a new Java project. Tap hello world. Click finish. Then click don't create mod. If it's a pops up not module, don't create. Click hello world. Right click. Building a workspace. Hey, where's hello world? I am not understanding where it is. Looks like it's a failed one. I really need to delete this. Java. Hello. Let's click on delete this. I have sometimes patience. So right click on hello world, right click, new, and click class. Now you type hello world. Hello world. You click public static void main string args. This is holds the program. S. It must be a failed one. So let's delete it. Create a new Java project. Hello. Must be failed. Finish. Test stuff. Test. Don't create now. And right click, click new, and click C. Hello. I'm thinking something is wrong, but let's see what's happening. Let's make a true hello world. This is testing. Now we're gonna right click new, click class, and test type testing. Click this, click public static void main string args. This is the main thing. Now we're gonna type System.out. Click all. Let's see, get all of this out. System.out.println. Please make sure please know in Java that you need to put the semicolon. That's how it will be like, I'm done for this code. I'm done. And I will type hello world. Now I'm gonna go right click, run as one Java application. Click OK. If you see this, it should run. Hello world. This is a tutorial of how to run. This is a tutorial of Hello World. Hey, please go subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the ding dong bell notification. Go type youtube.com and type Rodite. This one, 26 subscribers. This is so weird. And go click subscribe and watch any of these videos, and press the bell icon. Otherwise, I'm gonna eat you. Anyways, otherwise, I'm gonna eat the alligators are going to eat you. Bye. And I'm gonna close this program. I forgot anything. Now